Hey everybody, this is E3PO from ModderCentral.net. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning how to use Tool to create sound permutations for music. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your Halo Custom Edition root directory and go to your data folder. If you haven't already, go ahead and create a folder called Sounds and make another folder. I'm just going to call this Tutorial. Okay, now go ahead and find the music that you want to put in your tutorial or in your in your map. I'm just going to use this Amanda sample music. Okay, now go ahead and open up Adobe Audition 1.5. You can download this from the Adobe's website or wherever you can possibly find it. It's a trial product. It is quite a nice little program. Now, where did I put it? There it is. Okay, now that that's loading up, we can go ahead and drag and drop our file into it. Okay, now first thing we're going to want to do is amplitude normalize 99. This will make all of the peaks go up to 99. So 100 is clipping. So if you can see as I play this, no matter what, it won't get past 91 or 99. Sorry. Okay, now go ahead and save it, or actually edit, convert sample rate. Make sure that it is 44:1 16-bit stereo, and hit OK. Okay. Now there's a little bit of extra stuff on the end here that we don't really need. So we can zoom in by using the zoom tool and just keep on zooming in and dragging all the way to the end. Go ahead and just delete all of this silence. So we have a nice little fade out to the end there. Okay, now go ahead and save this in your folder. Whoops. Data. I am in the wrong hard drive here. There we go. Amanda dot wave PCM. Make sure it's wave PCM. And go ahead and save it. Okay. Now go ahead and delete everything else that's in here. And just keep this wave as a backup, just in case. So put that on your desktop or something. Now go ahead and go to the end of the file. Just go ahead and select little bits of it. Doesn't really matter. And let me scale this down a bit more. Let's see the whole thing. And go ahead and save selection as. Make this 8. Actually, it'll be easier to go from the front of the file. So just go from the front of the file, save selection as 1, save, hit delete, select some more, save selection as 2, save, delete, select some more, and just continue this till you are at the end of the file. Okay, now that I have my last bit here, I'm completed saving all of them. I can't save the selection unless I select all of it, and then I can do save selection. But all you have to do is hit save as, and then put it as your last number. So this one happened to turn out to be 11. Now you can go ahead and close that. Now, if you look in here, you have all these PK files. This is what Audition uses to render the waveform, which is the picture that you see. So go ahead and, if you're using Vista, add file type to the little list here. File type. Okay, and okay. Then just go ahead and click that and delete all of these. Yes. Okay, now we have all our 11 wave files. And if we look, each one is about 4 megabytes, which is definitely under the limit for tool. So now what we can do is go back to our Halo Custom Edition root directory and open up tool. Since I already have it opened up, I'll just click on this thing. Now go ahead and type, let me zoom in here real quick, see if I got this figured out. Yeah, there we go. Go ahead and type tool sounds slash and then the folder that it's in. Then come over here and type in OG, actually make sure, tutorial space OGG1. Okay, before you do this, you're going to want to download, or I don't have it done in this tutorial yet, but I'll have a zip file or a folder that has the DLLs you'll need to extract your Halo Custom Edition root directory. You should know how to do that. And just hit enter. Now as you can see, could not read map file toolbeta.map. That's not an error, so just don't even worry about that. Now what this is doing is compressing them all and putting them into one file as permutations, which is what we wanted. And hopefully we won't have any errors and it will work successfully, as you can see. Now what you can do is go ahead and open up Gorilla. In this case, I'm going to be using Cornman's version. And let me zoom out. Oh my god, wrong button. Okay, there we go. And go up here. Oh my lord, wrong way. File, open tag, and come all the way down here to sounds and the tutorial.sound, and go ahead and double click it. Okay, now up here, gonna want to click on this and drag it down to music and select music, and go all the way down to the bottom. And if you look here, we have all our different permutations, 1 all the way up to 10 and 11. That messed up. Now it may work right and it may not work right, so let's see. I guess we'll just have to see if that works right or not. If this doesn't work, then we can always go back and make bigger permutations so that it fits under 9. Or I may even be able to change this to 0 and then have 11 permutations. So that hopefully will work. So you can just go ahead and close this and obviously save it. Now go to new tag, and in this little drop down box select sound looping. It's in there, trust me. And then hit OK. Now, not a loop. This pretty much is, I don't know why you wouldn't even need this since you're making a looping sound tag, but if you have to use a looping sound tag and you don't want it to loop, then you can just hit this and it won't loop the file. Okay, now what you can do is hit add on this little tracks thing and go to start sound, wait a minute, yeah, tags sound. Where did it go? It's even the right hard drive. I'm very confused. Oh man, what have I done? Oh, sounds. There we go. Tutorial.sound, and open it up. Okay, and then go ahead and file, save as. Gotta hurry up here. File, save all tags, and then come down here and save it in your sounds, tutorial sound looping. And that's how you do it. And as you can see, all these are in here. You can add them one by one, blah blah blah, and play them. And as you can see, they work. So hopefully you learned something. I have to hurry up really quick because the tutorial's about to end. Again, this is Ethrupio from Mata City, or Mata Central. I hate Mata City. Anyway, bye.